Good morning, Outdoor Office family. What are we going to do today? I don't know. You see it right there? That's our fire pit. Yes, we are going to redo our fire pit today. And the boys are going to help. So let's get over here and show you what's going on. So, what we got is my wood pile right here. I've got my sand, my stone, my decorative stone, and my big stone. But we need to clean this up right here. This is really bad, and we're going to clean all this up. I'm going to get the tiller out, do it all smooth, get it all halfway level, as level as I can make it, and we're going to have fun. So sit back and watch this hyperlapse of us having fun. Oh, I forgot, we got to come down here first. Gotta get into the secret stash here. Oh, two bunnies here this morning. Some cottontails. So, all right, gotta get the tiller from right back there and some hand tools so we can get going. Let's get all this stuff out. Let's get to work. All right, what you've seen so far, I got up the trash, I tilled a little bit, and this is our basic circle that we're going to use here. This high spot right in here, there's a big root, so we're going to try to off-center the ring around that root a little bit. But I want to tell you what I'm going to use here. I am actually going to put weed block down. I'm going to go this way with weed block, and I'm going to go this way with weed block. And then after that, I've got 200 pounds of sand that I'm going to dump on the weed block and spread it out so I can use it as a level. So when we're building our ring, well, I'll put my ring in here, I'll put my first section of stone around it, and then we'll take the ring out, build the 3 courses, and then we'll set the other stone out around the edge of that. But that's where we're at right now. Isaac has been out here. He is going in to get Caleb because Caleb doesn't want to get up, but they need to know what it's like to do a little bit of work. So when we come back, Caleb will be with us. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, 15-second montage of us getting the ring built, the sand down, and the weed block down. All right, boys, moment of truth. Does it fit? It should? What if it doesn't? All right, now what we need to do from here? push all the stones in so it matches up to it, okay? So start on one side and push them in to where they lock into place. You're gonna have to push them, bud.
I'm pushing.
Do this. Tap them all the way up. Keep tapping. Mama San's home. Good morning. All right, gotta do a little bit over here. There we go. Looks good, guys. Now, do the outer ring and fill it with gravel. Trim up the weed guard, and we're done. But we got dentist appointments at what, 9:20? So we got to leave here at 8:45, and I have no idea what time it is. But hey, good start so far. We'll be back once we get back from the dentist. Y'all be good. All right, we're back. The boys are playing baseball, but they're getting ready to finish this. We had to stop by Home Depot, get us 4 bags of sand right here to do the outside edges. So let's get this hyperlapsed and keep going. All right. How many stones look like we're gonna need to have, boys?
We're going to get some?
Yeah, we're going to get some. What?
How do we lose it?
I don't know. We got 2 more to set. Go ahead and set those 2, boys.
Just set it right here. Set it right here, Isaac.
We're coming from this side, so just
look at that.
So tell them what you're doing here, Caleb.
Measure to make sure it's the same.
All the way around, right?
All the way around.
Cool. So, how many are we short?
No idea. 2.
We're short 2.
3. 2, 3. 2.5.
1.
1. No, how long is the brief?
10.
10 inches.
Okay.
In this whole entire area.
How much you got? Don't estimate it, measure it.
This whole entire area is 27.
27.
So, 2.5.
So we're going to have to get 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
To
break
finish.
one.
And we're going to have to chop one. I'll show you how to do that. All right. Well, let's run to Lowe's and get a brick. Not unless we got 3 hiding somewhere, but here it is so far. We're moving right along. All right.
Well, we're back. We just got the bricks from Lowe's.
That was a quick trip, right?
Yeah.
No, we borrowed some because Mama, she wants her landscaping redone. Make sure that corner right here is correct, please.
13 inches.
Okay, check the other one. Oh,
14.
it's got to go in just a touch. All right, guys, next
Fill with rocks.
we got all this lava rock to put in there. So let's go and get this done. Get it done and over with, right?
No way.
Yep, just pack all that down in there.
Let's go
All right.
get the lava rock.
Let's go get the lava rock. Good job, man. Good job. How long did that take us? From start to finish, how long do you think it took us?
2 hours.
Yeah, about 2 hours.
No, probably longer. Because we had to get stuff.
Well, we had to move things around, but there it is. Mama wanted a fire pit. She got her fire pit. Filled with stone. Now all we need to do is, what guys? Build a fire, right? Maybe we'll do that tonight. Well, Mom's got to work tonight, right? So, all right. Well, there it is. Good job, man. Hey, guys, girls, hit that subscribe button. We're about 40 away from 10,200, so we're getting there.
10,240 away, that's it.
Yep. So, y'all be good. And this is Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office.
No matter what season, we got you in our sights.
Y'all got that right.